Welcome. In this video, we'll explore how to fix WhatsApp downloading problems. If you're facing issues with downloading content on WhatsApp, try these top ways to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. 1. Check your network connection. Start by checking your network connection. A stable internet connection is essential for downloading files on WhatsApp successfully. 2. Ensure sufficient storage space. Make sure you have enough storage space on your device to accommodate the files you are trying to download. Insufficient storage can lead to download failures. 3. Clear WhatsApp cache. Clear the cache data of the WhatsApp app to remove any temporary files that may be hindering the downloading process. This can help improve the app's performance. 4. Delete the unofficial version of WhatsApp. If you're using an unofficial version of WhatsApp, delete it and download the official version from the App Store. Unofficial versions may have compatibility issues that can cause downloading problems. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot and fix WhatsApp downloading problems, ensuring a smooth experience when downloading files on the messaging platform. We hope this guide helps you in resolving any issues with downloading on WhatsApp efficiently. Thank you for watching.